Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some of the most significant discoveries and inventions that have shaped our world. So let's get started. Throughout human history, significant discoveries and inventions have played a crucial role in the development of civilization. These discoveries not only bring convenience to human life, but also expand our understanding of the world. Below are some of the most important discoveries that have changed the world. First up, we have the discovery of fire. This is one of humanity's earliest and most crucial discoveries. It brought a revolution to human life by providing warmth, the ability to cook food, and even light at night. Next, we have the invention of the wheel. This revolutionary discovery allowed humans to travel and transport goods more efficiently, leading to the development of cities and trade. The discovery of writing is another game changer. It allowed humans to record and preserve information, leading to the development of literature, science, and history. The invention of the printing press is another crucial development. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up to the masses. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more content like this. Finally, we have the
Until next
discovery
time,
of
stay curious and
antibiotics.
keep exploring.
This medical breakthrough has saved countless lives and revolutionized the treatment of infectious diseases. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. We hope you found this exploration of significant discoveries and inventions informative and fascinating.